Hi guys, I'm Kasun. Hello, I welcome you for my channel and welcome you for my new video. Today I appear before you to introduce about the 2019 Bugatti Divo. Okay guys, now let's check out the 2019 Bugatti Divo. KGS
Super.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna say goodbye, no. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Gonna give, never gonna give.
This is the 2019 Bugatti Divo. The 2019 Bugatti Divo is a most powerful, most expensive, luxurious, elegant, technologically advanced, high performance and fastest hypercar in the world, which is strictly limited and with completely different driving dynamics. And also this is my most favorite Bugatti hypercar ever. And also the 2019 Bugatti Divo is limited the production to just 40 units. The 2019 Bugatti Divo is the world premier and the best hypercar, which is one of the rarest modern hypercars. And also the 2019 Bugatti Divo has the 90 kilos additional downforce than the Bugatti Chiron. And also this is the most agile and dynamic hypercar which is made for the 110th anniversary of Bugatti company, which founded by ETTORE Bugatti since 1901. And also the 2019 Bugatti Divo is combined with incomparable coach building quality with an exhilarant driving experience. The 2019 Bugatti Divo is the Bugatti's first coach-built project, which is athletic, sharp, with distinctive handling properties, stunning lateral acceleration, and unique design language. And also, the aerodynamic system of the car have been intensively fine-tuned for additional downforce, while the suspension and chassis settings were modified for an even more compelling driving experience. And also the styling of the Bugatti Divo is much more aggressive when compared to the smooth and sleek Bugatti Chiron with visible aero attachments to the bodywork. Okay guys, now let's check out the engine performance of the 2019 Bugatti Divo. The 2019 Bugatti Divo had been powered by Bugatti's iconic 8-liter W16 quad-turbo engine with 4 turbochargers, and with Bugatti 2-stage turbocharging and intercooling, and also that makes 1479 horsepower at 6700 rpm, and the 1600 Newton meters of torque between 2000 and 6000 rpm. And also this car transmission system includes with 7-speed DSG dual clutch gearbox, and also this car is weight 1960 kilos, and also this car is able to accelerate 0 to 100 kilometers per hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds. And also the 2019 Bugatti Divo's top speed is electronically limited to 380 kilometers per hour or 236 miles per hour. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and subscribe my channel for more videos and new video coming soon. And also download my KGS Supercars Android application from the Google Play Store.